Grizzlies protect Grizzlies, healthy together. That simple, straightforward phrase is at the heart of Oakland University's plan for the fall semester. It's a plan that's based on trust, knowing what to expect, and having a clear understanding of what's needed from each one of us. Grizzlies Protect Grizzlies is designed to maintain the highest level of safety standards while allowing for agile responses if the COVID-19 risk level changes. The 5-point plan includes limiting person-to-person spread of the virus, lowering the risk of virus outbreaks on campus, fostering a culture of compliance, modifying the learning environment, and redefining the student experience. Details on each one of the sections of the plan are on the OU website. I would like to now give you an overview of how, through vigilance and teamwork, Grizzlies will protect Grizzlies. And I hope that you'll find that our plan takes every precaution in maintaining a safe campus. Everything that we're doing is to protect individuals, prevent transmission of COVID-19, to avoid outbreaks, and to safeguard our vulnerable populations. We're determined to keep our campus safe and healthy so that students can maximize learning and have a wonderful and rewarding college experience. First, limiting the spread of the virus requires each one of us to be vigilant. We're asking students, faculty, and staff to abide by OU health and safety measures, including taking a daily health assessment to determine any infection-related symptoms. We're requiring face coverings to be worn, social distancing of at least 6 feet be honored, and regular hand washing. We'll have face coverings available if someone has forgotten to bring one to campus, and we'll have hand sanitizers in every building. Second, lowering the risk of outbreaks requires a comprehensive and innovative approach to monitoring, assessing, and testing. We are offering a state-of-the-art wearable device for monitoring and detecting abnormal temperature, heart, and respiratory rates. This cutting-edge device is called the BioButton, and we highly recommend that all students, faculty, and staff wear the BioButton, which will be provided at no cost to you. Only the wearer can view their detailed health data. An algorithm will trigger an alert to notify the wearer and the OU Graham Health Center if the BioButton detects symptoms of a potential COVID infection. In addition, the BioButton can uniquely be used for contact tracing. We're the only university in the country that is using this state-of-the-art technology. Third, we all must acknowledge that we must follow safety measures. A campus-wide education campaign will inform students, faculty, and staff of the paramount importance of abiding by infection prevention practices. Student ambassadors will be an important part of this campus-wide education campaign. Fourth, across the nation, workplaces, businesses, and social environments have all been modified. And of course, it's no different with universities like Oakland University. Classrooms will be sanitized regularly with antimicrobial treatments, and will offer a mix of face-to-face, online, and hybrid classes. Webcams have been added to support live stream lectures. In-person instruction will take place in our classrooms that have been designed to meet strict social distancing requirements. We've enhanced our help desk support so that our students will feel comfortable with online learning. Faculty and advising office hours are virtual, And the OU Library is open and ready to assist our students. And finally, fifth, we've taken measures to help make sure that our campus is safe, and whenever and wherever possible, we want to preserve the college experience that our students have come to expect. Occupancy in our residence halls will be adjusted. Prior or during move-in, all residential students will be tested for COVID-19. And OU will help coordinate testing for students who need assistance with this. Also, prior to moving onto campus, residents will be asked to identify the plan of action they will enact if they become ill with COVID-19. Identifying a permanent isolation location is an essential part of each plan. And on-campus rooms have been set aside for emergency or for short-term isolation or quarantine. Sanitization has been increased in all areas of the residence halls. And for 2020, visitors are allowed only in public lounges. Student life on campus will look different than in the past. Food service delivery stations in residence halls and at the Oakland Center will be monitored to ensure social distancing, and face coverings will be required. Public lounge furniture will be arranged to promote social distancing, and the number of participants at campus gatherings will be limited. And whenever possible, meetings will be held virtually. So I hope that you now have a good idea of what you can expect when you return to campus, and also what's expected of each one of you. In these challenging times, we all must remember that each one of us is a part of a community. And as members of the Oakland University community, we each have an obligation to one another to work together so that all of us can be safe and all of us can be healthy. We pledge to you that we will continue to remain vigilant and be prepared. Our success requires that every one of us pledge in return to follow our important guidelines. When everyone does their part, then as a community, we can come back to a great campus experience. Campus life is so important. So let's show that Grizzlies do protect Grizzlies. And that way, we will all stay healthy together.